Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A child theme active and reliable access via FTP or the hosting file manager, so you won't lose changes. Next, choose the Google font family and exactly which weights and styles you need to avoid loading extra files. Once chosen, decide whether you want the convenience of a plugin or the control of manual enqueuing. Plugins are faster, but manual gives better performance and cache control. Prepare the font query URL from Google Fonts for the next step. Now implement fonts. If you choose a plugin, install and activate it, pick the family and weights in the plugin UI, then assign to elements. This is quick and safe. If manual, open your child theme functions. PHP and add WP and Q style with the Google Fonts URL, making sure to use proper dependencies and versioning for cache control. For privacy and speed, consider downloading WAF2 files and creating at font face rules in your stylus sheet, so you host fonts locally once everything looks right. Finish by clearing all caches and testing across browsers and devices to confirm the correct weights appear. Use developer tools, check the Network tab to ensure font files or the Google URL load, and inspect computed styles to verify font family usage. If you see flash of invisible text or delayed swaps, add font display. Swap to your at font face or use pre-connect to fonts. Gstatic, COM and fonts. Googleepies, COM for faster handshakes. If a font fails, recheck the URL, weights, and file permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.